Good morning students, myself Himanshu Shekhar, your history teacher. Today we will be starting our first chapter, Bricks, Beads and Stones, the Harappan civilization. You might have studied in your previous classes about Indus Valley civilization. Now this Indus Valley civilization is also known as Harappan civilization. So the first question arises that why it is known as Harappan civilization. That is because Harappa was the first site to be excavated, and that's why it is also known as Harappan civilization. Now, as we have already discussed that in history we try to correlate the things, and when we talk about the ancient ages where we are not getting any kind of written documents or prashastis or anything which is written on the walls or any metal, so we try to excavate the things and try to find out. In science, you might have studied about carbon dating, which is a process by which we try to know that how much old the thing is that has been excavated. Now in Harappan civilization, the most of the things that we have found are bricks, beads and stones. That's why the lesson is named such. Now we go through the subsistence strategies, means we try to find out from the things which have been excavated. Now different excavators or different archaeologists have different opinions. We try to correlate their opinions to reach to a result, like the things we have found. So underneath the earth, the first thing or from Harappan civilization what we have found were bricks, beads or stones. From these we try to know that what kind of civilization it was, how the life of the people was going on, what kind of society was developed at that period. So in subsistence strategies we also go through a process which is called stratigraphy. Now stratigraphy is a process wherein the excavators or the archaeologists, they go through a horizontal layering or horizontal excavation. Now this horizontal excavation is not very plain or very similar. Mainly it means that in excavation we try to find out the things by horizontal layering. The things which are upper or on the upper layer, they are new, and similarly the things which are found on the lower layer are older ones. So that is a process of stratigraphy. So it was all done under the Archaeological Survey of India, and at that time the first governor of Archaeological Survey of India was Alexander Cunningham.